Hi there. So for our project, we chose to base it off of homework 3, question 8. And in that question, there's a video that teaches how to use MATLAB to train your computer how to recognize different types of food. He uses 5 types of food and then uses the webcam in live time to be able to recognize what food is front of the camera. And for our project, we chose to do it based on animals. So we had to download files with animal photos in them. So I download Kaifar files from GitHub, Kaifar, and then there's 5 animals. There's bird, cat, dog, frog, and horse. And in each of these files, there's 5,000 images. Um, and then those images are placed in the code using this reference. This reference is the file. And then each name of those subfolders gives the class for what animal those pictures are. And then this basically separates 1,000 images for testing later on, but then it uses the remainder for training. Um, and so we trained the program how to recognize the animals based off these files. It took around, let's see, an hour and 50 minutes to train because it was a lot of files. There was 10 epochs as seen on the left here. This is the epoch, the iteration, the time lapsed, the mini batch accuracy, the mini batch loss, and the base learning rate, which is 0.001, which you can alter using the ops function here. So it's 10 epochs. This is the learning rate. And then we trained it, took an hour and 50 minutes. And then once that was done, we could run this function down here to classify all the test images, but then also use the webcam to use this network that we made called MyNet, as opposed to, GoogleNet or anything else that could have been used. So we used our own network that we trained to then test our webcam to see if it can recognize which kind of animal is in front of it. So when we run this code, it has a while loop to keep the camera going and continually recognizing what image is in front of it. And that outputs this window here, and we can test it for you. So I've just pulled up a couple different animal photos on my phone. Um, let's see. So for example, I will start with a dog. Let's see, which image should we use? Like this image, for example. So I hold it up to the screen, and then it says dog with a probability of 1. So it's claiming that it's 100% accurate that that's a dog based on the network that we have. And then I'll do another one. Let's see. Let's try a horse. So here's a picture of a horse. If I hold it up to the camera, it says horse. And then we'll do one more just for an example. Let's try a cat. So here's an image of a cat holding it up to the screen, and it tells you it's a cat. So yeah, that is our program. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.